The first hack is all about the flight booking. Timing is everything. The best time to book your flights is on a Tuesday afternoon, 6 weeks before your travel date. Why, you ask? Airlines usually announce deals on Monday evenings. By Tuesday at noon, most airlines will have matched these low prices. So Tuesday afternoons are ideal for getting a good deal. Secondly, consider choosing a red-eye flight. These late-night flights are usually less crowded, providing you with more space. Plus, you can sleep through the flight and wake up at your destination. Thirdly, always check in online and do it as early as possible. This way, you'll have a better chance of securing a good seat. Preferably, go for an aisle seat near the front of the plane for more legroom and quicker access to exit upon landing. Next up, pack smart. Keep essentials like headphones, a travel pillow, a sleep mask, and a good book within easy reach. Also, keep a travel-size hydrating facial spray and lip balm in your carry-on to fight off the dry cabin air. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. This cannot be stressed enough. The dry cabin air can lead to dehydration, so drink plenty of water before, during, and after the flight. Avoid coffee and alcohol as they can dehydrate you further. And lastly, get up and move. Long flights can lead to stiffness, so take a walk down the aisle every hour or so. Do some light stretching to keep your blood circulating. In summary, securing a comfortable flight comes down to booking smart, opting for red-eye flights, checking in online early, packing smart, staying hydrated, and moving around during the flight. So the next time you're preparing for a flight, keep these hacks in mind and you'll be sure to enjoy a more comfortable journey. Remember, travel isn't just about the destination, it's also about the journey. Make the journey as enjoyable as the destination with these travel hacks. Safe travels, everyone!